हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल डॉक्टर मस्करा। और जैसा कि मैंने आपको पिछली वीडियो में प्रॉमिस किया था कि मेरी जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो होगी वो होगी रिगार्डिंग सुमित आनंद का जो इट्स माय बर्थडे है उस पर। और जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया कि सुमित आनंद के बारे में मैं बहुत सारी वीडियोस में बोल चुका हूँ कि सुमित आनंद जैसा एक जो लेज़ी ह्यूमर जिसे हम कहते हैं वो बहुत ही उनमें अट्रैक्टिव है। और उनकी जो यूएसपी है वो भी यही है कि उनका जो लेजी ह्यूमर है वो बहुत से लोगों को पसंद आता है। आप सुमित आनंद का सिर्फ ये बर्थडे या फिर ये नहीं, आप इनके बहुत सारे ऐसे छोटे छोटे क्लिप्स भी बनाते रहते हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम दी स्टैंड अप्स, वो भी आप जाके देख सकते हैं। तो मैं आपको यही रिकमेंड करूँगा कि अगर आपको वाकई में किसी को सुनना है, बिकॉज सुमित आनंद बेसिकली एक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन से ज़्यादा अकॉर्डिंग टू मी एक फिलोसोफर है। और अगर आप मेरे हिसाब से अगर वो एक स्टैंड अप आर्टिस्ट नहीं होते तो वो मेरे हिसाब से एक प्रोफेशनल फिलोसोफर हो सकते थे, बिकॉज उनकी जो थिंकिंग है रिगार्डिंग लाइफ को लेके तो बहुत ही सॉर्टेड है। बिकॉज आप उनके इन वीडियोस में भी देख सकते हैं उन सब चीज़ों को कि उन्होंने कितने अच्छे तरीके से सारी चीज़ों को बताया है। कि उन्होंने एक इंस्टेंस बताया, बाकी तो आप वीडियो में ऑब्वियसली देखोगे, बट उन्होंने एक इंस्टेंस बताया अपनी वीडियो में कि उनका जब बर्थडे था तो उनकी जो गर्लफ्रेंड थी उसके रिगार्डिंग उनके साथ क्या क्या गर्लफ्रेंड ने पंगे डाले उसके बर्थडे में। तो ये सब भी उन्होंने बताया कि बर्थडे पे जो गर्लफ्रेंड्स होती हैं वो आपसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड रहती हैं आपके बर्थडे के लिए। सो ये कुछ छोटी मोटी चीज़ें जो बहुत ही फ़नी वे में उन्होंने बताई ऑब्वियसली। और सुमित आनंद की एक और अच्छी बात है कि उनकी जो ऑडियंस है वो एक ग्रैबिंग ऑडियंस है, वो ऐसी नहीं है, एक बहुत ही लॉयल फैन बेस है। बिकॉज अगर आप सुमित आनंद का कोई भी वीडियो उठा के देख लीजिए उसमें जितनी भी ऑडियंस है वो उनको पसंद करती है चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए। क्योंकि सुमित आनंद के ऑब्वियसली बहुत कम वीडियोस अवेलेबल हैं, क्योंकि बहुत कम वीडियोस ही डालते हैं आजकल, जो भी रीज़न हो। बट मेरे हिसाब से सुमित आनंद को एज एन स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी किंग का मेरे हिसाब से खिताब दे देना चाहिए, बिकॉज ही इज़ अ प्रोफेशनल फिलोसोफर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी। और मोर देन स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन मेरे हिसाब से वो एक फिलोसोफर है, जैसा कि मैं आपको हमेशा अपनी वीडियोस में बोलता हूँ। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू गाइज, वीडियो लंबी होने वाली है गाइज, सो हम लोग चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। और गाइज जब भी आप देखें तो इसको पूरा देखें, क्योंकि एंड में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि मेरा जो नेक्स्ट अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट है उसके रिगार्डिंग। और बाकी आपको पता ही है, लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना है। मिलते हैं वीडियो में।
Let me tell you more. I was actually born in Haryana because my dad, did it there only. I wasn't there, man. I would have stopped. By the time I got to know, too late. He was also born in Haryana because grandpa. We are not upper caste Hindu. I come from a long line of family who don't know where to do it. Keep doing in Haryana itself. Like, don't you know location is important? It took me 20 years to get out of Haryana. Yeah, emotionally. Otherwise you could take a bus.
हरियाणा के बारे में हम काफ़ी कुछ जानते हैं।
Emotional is the one which takes a while. Now people are like, you don't sound like Haryana. I'm like, I didn't talk to anyone. No, for 20 years. Because I listened and nothing I heard was exciting enough for me to contribute. I was like, they are doing enough damage by themselves. Remained silent for 20 years. Got out of Haryana, learned English quite late. Yeah, in college we used to have a pact with friends to always talk in English, so we never fought. Dude, if you cut down your vocab, the amount of friendship that you can form, potential is unlimited. The guy standing there asking me, what did I do? And you are like, you. I know it in Hindi, man. You are a bad person. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is the answer. I forgive you. Again. It's like I'm Dalai Lama out of language barrier. Certain words in English I still can't use. I know the word, I know the meaning, that should be sufficient. I just didn't grow up like that. One of these words is flabbergasted. People use it in front of me. I'm always like, ऐसे कैसे use कर दिया आपने बोलते हुए?
What is this?
Dude, we were just talking. You didn't have to bring all this up. And I thought we were friends. Behind my back, have you been using the word rendezvous? What's going on, man? And they use it for trivial stuff. They go like, dude, I went to the zoo and I was flabbergasted. I'm always like, how did you come back alive then? What's going on at the zoo?
Overused word है लेकिन
I've been to the zoo, I've never been that word.
मुझे भी पसंद है. एक से लोगों का favorite word है.
Forget the zoo, I feel like मेरी लाइफ में कभी कुछ ऐसा नहीं हुआ है that I thought, dude, अब तो flabbergasted ही explain कर. अब तो हो गई है वो चीजें हुई हैं, काफी हुई हैं. My dad caught me masturbating when I was 12. I was simply surprised. That's it. That's the height of emotion that I could reach. Maybe, just maybe, my dad was flabbergasted. I don't know. He didn't know that word. We were not that rich. That's a rich people word. You don't imagine kids under flyover talking like, I'm flabbergasted by the heat in the capital today. I still don't know at what point flabbergasted is an appropriate word to use. That you have to use it now. That situation, my dad caught me masturbating, that was surprising. Then my dad comes in and he starts masturbating. I'm just checking.
Ew.
Then my mom on the side should be going, that is flabbergasting. I don't know. I'm just checking. She didn't know that word either. We were all not rich. Wasn't like my family is not rich and mom is rich on the side. We were all together and shitting us in life and words. Some people are confused. I've never masturbated with my dad. These are jokes. I stay home alone all day. I get these thoughts.
Dude.
Don't worry, guys. I'm a good person. I might be a good person. I give money to beggars. Anybody does that?
Yes.
What's
कुछ
that
लोगों के
noise? It's not a yes or a no. Just shouting, woo! That's an answer to the universe. I give them. Anybody? Yeah, how much?
आप लोग देते हो बताओ.
Huh? 50. 10 or 50. That's a nice bracket. What do you look for in a beggar?
इसका चाहिए सर.
That's a 51, man. You're not a threat, though. I give them $100. Yeah, it's not a selfless act. I need to see the look in their eyes. That's why I've been asking around, is anybody giving more than $100? Recently, I haven't been getting the look. Don't raise the stakes, man. Give them $100. They can't even believe it. They start giving change back, $90. One time I was in my cab, there was a kid next to the red light and he was smiling and I was like, that's a cute smile. I smiled back. Then he started walking towards my car. And I was like, did he just trap me? Fuck, man, he was next to my window going, so? I'm like, so what? You smile. Like, you smile. I smiled back out of my love. You're converting this into capitalism now. He just stood there. बेवकूफ इतना मुझे पता होता मैं अपने दिन की शुरुआत रेड लाइट से करता. Hoping for a return smile from strangers. I was like, makes sense. Here is your $100. Here is another 100. You just gave me stand-up material. I'll convert the second 100 into thousands. Won't give you anything. I converted this into capitalism.
Yes.
That's how it works. I win and you lose. It's predefined. He still stood there silently. कि देख bro, समझ में तो नहीं आ रहा. But तू बोलता रहेगा तो पैसे आते रहेंगे. This is the easiest money I have ever made. He told fellow beggars, guys, chase this guy.
ऐसे भी
This guy speaks shit and then money comes up. He's our ATM. Learn the word capital, seems important. Might be a good person. Never hit an Uber driver less than 5. Can't. Which proves I might be a good person and definitely not a woman. Not that I needed the proof. But I don't think any girl is walking into a cab thinking, definitely a 5-star. Even if it does well, they'll still be like 4-star for future mistakes.
दा ऐसा नहीं था
This is for fellow women.
लड़की के लिए नहीं.
He's a man, he'll fuck up. I'm just guessing, I've never been a woman.
Exactly तुम्हें कैसे पता?
I can't rate the Uber driver less than 5. I play around though. Sometimes I sit at home, book an Uber, and then take a call if I should move or not. I'm just checking if the world is ready for me. The guy is like, I'm at the location. I'm like, can you go to the destination and see if it is worth it? Just live my life on my behalf and report from my future. One time I actually went to the location and I was sitting in my cab. There was a guy, pressure behind me, a bunch of taxi wala just staring at me. Have you had that feeling while taking an Uber? Taxi wala just like, nah man, don't do this. Like why? Why give money to the rich, give it to the poor? Now like, makes sense, great way of selling taxis. So I ignored him. A lot of things make sense, you don't have to follow. You can just agree it makes sense, do what you like. Like you should brush twice a day. You should. Brush thrice a day. Fucking keep brush. Sat in my Uber. Uber driver, even let him know. I sit down, even let him know. I'm like, dude, whatever happens from here won't change the stars between us. He's like, what? I'm like, I've said it. Can't, even if he gets me late, which is a huge feat, guys, because I have time. I can even tell you, time is not money.
Time is money.
I just have time. समय को तो मैंने लगभग कब्जे में कर ही लिया. देखो जिंदगी में मोड़ आया था to choose time or money and I thought मुकेश अंबानी को मैं पैसे में तो नहीं हरा सकता. उसमें थोड़ा सा आगे निकल गया वो.
थोड़ा सा.
और ऐसी जिंदगी का क्या ही फायदा जो मुकेश से हार गए.
तो लड़ना ही नहीं.
It's fine. I just changed the game, man. Chose time. अब आओ मुकेश. मेरी गेम में. अब मैं बैठा होता हूँ on Monday morning listening to Radiohead for 4 hours. And I just wonder, अभी मुकेश क्या कर रहा होगा? Monday morning meeting में बैठा होगा loser. I won. Private plane में भी होगा तो Excel sheets पढ़ रहा होगा. Dude, I am dancing naked in my own house. I won. Yeah, Mukesh lost. Loser Mukesh. Wrote this joke just to say the last 2 words every night. Loser fucking Mukesh. That's why he has a house which looks like a dick. He's insecure. He lost to me. In a competition he didn't even know about. I don't care, I want it in my own head. I'll write it on my grave too. First I'll have a grave. I don't believe in religion. I lived as a Hindu, die as a Christian, man, who cares? I'll have a grave, I'll write Mukesh Ambani lost to me. Yeah, other people visit the graveyard, they look at my grave, they'll be surprised. They'll be like, Mukesh lost? His friend will be like, अपने भाई के grave पे चलते हैं, वहाँ तो उम्र ही लिखी है, what the fuck? Mukesh lost. Which game? Cricket? वो तो सारा खरीद लिया था. Politics? Same answer. Which game, man. Daydreaming, man. He made up a game, won it himself. He dances naked in his own house and wins against Mukesh. Mukesh doesn't even know him. Who knows? This guy will start thinking, you can write anything on your grave. It's your grave.
Oh my
Have fun
God.
with it. First of all, why should only successful people leave a message?
True.
Right? First you had a good life, you want to preach even afterlife. Shut the fuck up and be dead. You lived your life properly, now be dead properly. How do you be dead properly? Just shut the fuck up.
True.
If you're really successful, we'll give you a Google Dougal every year. Every successful person you read the interview, I just want to leave a message. Just leave.
Oh my God.
Meanwhile, it's your grave. You write anything. Have fun with it. People visiting the graveyard, give them a laugh. They look at your grave, you just write, hey, what's up, man?
True.
Heaven is real. Like an asterisk sign. You'll be like, what does the asterisk say? But it's like mostly mud. You go to the next grave, you write, hey, hell is also real. What does the asterisk say? I'm the same guy from last grave, just fucking with you. Yeah, go to the next grave. That one is also mine. That one has a questionnaire. Which one has my body? Let's talk about relationships because I have the mic. I once had a girlfriend, then she got to know me. She didn't leave, she kept saying, I know you. Which for some reason sounds even worse. So I had to dump her. Just to have the one-time pleasure of saying, did you know that? Yeah. Then I cried all night, but who knows that? Relationships are difficult, man. I'm 34 years old now.
No, really?
I know.
लगता नहीं.
Keeps growing. I'm actually 33, but I say 34 ताकि अगले साल बहुत अच्छा लगे. You have to do hacks like that. इस बार अपना birthday cake काट रहा हूँ. I'll be like, fuck, I'm still 34. कहीं मैं समय तो नहीं. But I had my birthday recently, and this is what happened. Like, my girl got mad at me because I was not as excited as she wanted me to be on my birthday, which in some way deeply hurt her feelings.
ऐसे करते हैं लड़कियाँ.
And I was sorry
Bad sound करते हैं.
for what I did to her.
Oh my God. ऐसा होता है.
It's my birthday, man. How am I sorry? How did you pull it off? How am I walking around at 12 p.m. apologizing for my own birthday? Look at all these girls clapping. They know they do that shit. All girls have 2 birthdays every year. I can't be excited on my birthday. Fucking, I'm old now, man. I'm not 19 happy about life for no reason. 19, your brain is red. You ask a 19-year-old me, how was your day? I'll be like, amazing. What happened? Won a race. Where? On the highway. Against who? Everybody on the highway. They don't know they were racing against me. I'm old now, man. Plus, look at me. All the wrong body parts are showing positive growth. My leg has so much hair. You guys can't see it, but like, not just this leg, both of them. There is a problem with my body. There is no hair till here. And then there is a massive increase of hair growth. It's like God gave up midway. Like a weird gardener जो garden के ही कोने पानी डालता रहता है. You just look at him, या तो पूरे में डाल दे, वहाँ भी रहने दे. उनको सिर्फ गुलाब का ही फूल चाहिए. There is no hair till here. And then there is fucking Virappan going on downstairs. It's weird, right? Even there is only one benefit. Like there is even mosquitoes can't break in. They are also like, नहीं चाहिए खून आजादी दो.
हे गाइस, ये थी वीडियो कैसी लगी आपको? मुझे बहुत पसंद आई, इतनी फनी।
तो गाइस आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा जो अभी आपने देखा है। और गाइस जैसा कि मैं आपको हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि मेरा जो अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट है मैं वो आपको अभी वीडियो के एंड में बताता हूँ। सो मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि मेरा जो अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट है वो भी सुमित आनंद का ही है और वो है माय मेड करके उन्होंने एक स्टैंड अप निकाला था। सो माय मेड एंड रिस्पेक्ट करके उन्होंने स्टैंड अप निकाला था। शायद से आप में से बहुत से लोगों ने उसको देखा भी होगा उस स्टैंड अप को। सो आप जितना आपने रिस्पॉन्स इस वीडियो को दिया है आप उतना ही रिस्पॉन्स उस वीडियो को भी दीजिए। सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में गाइस, क्योंकि वो भी सुमित आनंद का एक बहुत ही अच्छी क्रिएटिविटी है जो उन्होंने दिखाई है अपने वाले वीडियो में। सो मेरे हिसाब से सुमित आनंद का तो कोई डाउट है नहीं, मुझे तो एटलीस्ट कोई डाउट है नहीं सुमित आनंद का रिगार्डिंग इसके कि वो बहुत ही अच्छे कॉमेडियन है। और मेरे हिसाब से बहुत ही कम लोग होंगे जो उनको ऐसा नहीं हो जो नहीं जानते होंगे, बाकी मेरे हिसाब से करीब मेरे लोग जानते होंगे। सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए